Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Akko V3 Lavender Purple Pro switches that were sent over to me by Akko themselves for my honest review. Now these switches start at a price point of $9.99 for 45 switches and follow the same trend that the other Pro lines do. That's the fact that they are upgraded to a box stem, have 5-pin connectivity, and they have additional lube on the rails to provide a better out-of-the-box experience. With that being said, they are a tactile switch with an operating force of 40 grams, a 3.8mm total travel distance, a 1.9mm total travel distance, and the tactile position is located 0.5mm into the switch. The tactile force is also 55 grams, so it's about 15 grams heavier than the operating force, so you can definitely notice that the bump is there. I wouldn't necessarily say it's a super sharp tactile bump, but because it is 15 grams heavier, it is definitely more noticeable than some of the other tactile switches Akko has released in the past. The stock experience, just like the rest of the Pro switches, is phenomenal. I don't necessarily think you have to lube these switches, as the rails do provide a great stock experience and there is no leaf ping either. That can be common on tactile switches, and that is not the case here. But I will say there is still some scratch when it comes to like the spring, for example, because the spring is not lubed. So if you wanted to open it up and lube the spring, you could definitely do so. And when it comes to the feel side of things, like I said before, there is a slight scratchiness when it comes to the spring because it is not lubed or the housings aren't lubed either, but it is still noticeably smoother than the regular Lavenders were. So definitely an improvement in that area. And if someone said that they didn't want to lube them and they just wanted a great tactile switch out of the box, this nails the cheaper price point and a pretty decent out of the box experience, which is exactly what Akko was going for. And I think they've really nailed the mark when it came to that. Here's a quick sound test so you guys can hear how it sounds right out the box. Overall, I think the Akko V3 Lavender Purple Pros are a great tactile switch. Now I do kind of prefer the Akko Cream Blue Pros, mainly just because of how the tactile bump feels, but if you wanted a longer total travel distance, then this one might be better for you versus the Akko Cream Blue Pros. If you are interested in this switch, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below, but let me know what you guys think about the Akko V3 Lavender Purple Pro switches in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.